guys, welcome back to the channel. It is the month of November, which the day of Thanksgiving falls in, which I absolutely love. I love the month of November. It's a great month. The weather's cool. It's fall. It's all things pumpkin. It's turkey. It's dressing. It's you name it. It's just a great time. It's a good month to also reflect on things that I'm thankful for. I try to do it all throughout the year, but it seems like November, I really just am super extra thankful for some reason. But anyway, first of all, I am thankful for a Savior. I'm thankful for salvation. I'm thankful I'm saved. I'm thankful for a healer. I am thankful for the Lord. Yesterday was the 3rd of November, which was the election, which was absolutely crazy. But anyway, no matter how it comes out, God's still in control. He will have the final say, and He will take care of us no matter what. Also, it was my 25th anniversary. I am thankful for a wonderful husband. We've been blessed with wonderful children, a precious grandbaby, another one on the way. I've had a super blessed life, and I'm so thankful. But anyway, today we are going to kick off this month with some Thanksgiving recipes. Today we're doing pumpkin pies. I love pumpkin pie, so I hope you kick back, you watch this recipe video, and you get up and you go try this recipe. So I hope you enjoy it. So let's head to the kitchen. Okay guys, it is about to get real. I'm going to put 8 ounces of cream cheese into the bowl. And we're going to mix it or whip it or whatever you want to call it for about 5 minutes. Alright, so next I'm going to add a 15-ounce can of pumpkin. And here I go with my messy cook business again. We'll let this go for 5 minutes. Okay, so that's done. I want you to look how light and fluffy that pumpkin mixture looks. So now I'm going to add my melted butter. And I'm going to come back with 3 teaspoons of vanilla. I'm going to let this go and mix for just a minute. Okay, I'm going to add my eggs one at a time. Make a mess in the process. Let that go for just a sec. I'm going to add my cup of sugar. Come back and add 1/4 teaspoon of salt. tablespoon of cinnamon. And get this open. Teaspoon of pumpkin pie spice. Let that finish mixing all up. And this is a quart in a pie shell, of which I took a shortcut today. It's store-bought. That's okay. And we're going to get this pie in the oven. All right. Let's go to the pie shell. All right, so I got 2 pies out of that mix. I only thought I would get 1. All right, so they're fixing to go into a 400-degree oven for around 40 minutes, depending on how fast or slow your oven cooks. So we will be back shortly when they're done. Okay, fresh out of the oven, pumpkin pie. We're going to let it cool down, and then we're going to cut a piece. I hope you enjoy this video. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Have a great week.